guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Sneaker Life for the one time. Oh man, bro, I don't even know where to start. We have a very special, insane, bro. Insane package. Like, I'm pretty geeked about it. N7 collection is dropping on the 21st. Again, this is another just huge concept. I would say more impactful. If you don't know about the Nike N7 Fund, basically what it is, it's funding for the youth. It even says on the inside of the box, Nike basically doesn't want anyone sitting around. They really want to get the Native American communities. To date, they've raised about $6 million. And that's super awesome of Nike to even do, man. And you know how I am. I love the history and what's the theme behind these releases and different collaborations. You know, the greatest thing we have is impact. Now, Hibbett Sports sent this over to me, and you guys saw initially what's inside. We have a pair of shoes and basically a whole set of drip. What's dope about this package, you know, we got the sticker on the front. You guys can see Mike the Compass for the one time, bro. How dope, right? This has been a dope year as far as like getting these super cool boxes to be able to show you guys. So first off, thank you for even watching and supporting. You know, we really out here, bro. So let's just get into it. Obviously have this super dope, insane fire box, brother. Yeah, it's really cool. The nice graphic and emblems on the front. More so like tribal, I guess you would say tribal. Then you have N7 on the box. And you know, let's just crack this bad boy open. My favorite thing about this, dare to rise until we all win. This has been their go-to saying on this fund. What's really dope about this is you open it up and you have the dare to rise. And then here's a little more details about the N7 Fund if you don't know. Nike believes kids aren't meant to sit still. They're made to play. The N7 collection supports Nike's commitment to get kids moving through the N7 Fund, which supports organizations to provide sport and physical activity programming to kids in the Native American communities so that they can lead healthier, happier, and more successful lives. That's amazing. Since its inception of 2009, so it's been 10 years, the N7 Fund has awarded more than 6.6 million, excuse me, I said 6 million, 6.6, get it right, reaching more than 437,000 youth, harnessing the power of the sport and unifying force. The N7 Fund helps kids reach their greatest potential and reflects Nike's belief, creating more equal playing fields for everyone. Now, how cool is that, right? And then you have the cool graphic of the hoop, nice clouds, N7. Presentation is just key. Now, I'm sure a lot of people are gonna order these and be like, yo, bro, why didn't I get the same box as you? Hibbett Sports provided like influencers with a special box, obviously for content purposes. So I got this box. If you buy the shoes, you won't get the same box. I'm just letting you know. Now I'm gonna put the shoes to the side for a sec. First off, these are the 270s, bro. I have been waiting to actually pull the trigger on these, so I'm super happy to have a pair now. Especially this color. I was just telling you guys a couple videos ago, yellow is the color, bro. And we got that like aqua, yee. So getting into the box, let's get into the drip. On the inside, you have the alumni shorts. This is what's really fire. You know, you got the Nike swoosh on the left side and then the N7 on the right side. Kind of like a looser fit, I like that. Now, when I first opened this up, this was down, hands down. I almost put this shirt on before I started the video. Peep the shirt, all white with classic Nike on the front. I would like to know more about what inspired this specific graphic. You know, if you're Native American, and you can let me know down below in the comments. I'd love to hear it. I really like it though. And then you have that N7 on the sleeve. So in the collection, there is a t-shirt, alumni shorts, and last but not least, there is a hoodie. This has those graphics all over it on the hood and on the pockets. Of course, you have that N7 on the chest. And don't forget about that yellow. Also, from what I read for you ladies, there's gonna be 2 different tank tops that you can pick up, so just be on the lookout for that. June 21st is when the collection drops, so I'll put the links down below for Hibbett. You guys can go check it out if you want to. Now let's get into the shoes. There's 3 different shoes that are actually dropping. They have the 270s, Tinker designed 2 other ones, the Zoom Heritage, and you have the Zoom Down Rock N7. So you have those emblems again on the shoe. Beautiful yellow, nice white, just a perfect contrast that really pops. So what I read about the heel, that blue, it actually represents the elemental forces of sky and water. Very cool concept. If anything, I'm just excited to be able to have some 270s. I'm hearing great things about these. If you guys have them, let me know down below in the comments. This colorway couldn't have been any better, especially this time of year. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little on foot so you can check them out and let me know what you think. But boy, they look sensational. Let me just put these bad boys on real quick, you know. Little comfort test. Whew. This is a size 12. Okay, so they do run true to size. They fit snug too. You know, we gotta put them both on. Yeah. So they do look good, man. Very comfortable. What you guys think, man? How they look on foot? I think they're clean. I'm about to wear these tomorrow. One thing I'll say is Nike is doing such a great job almost reinventing itself. Pretty sure I talked about this a few videos ago, but it's always nice to have a different model, you know, something refreshing versus the same colorway over and over. So I really like the 270s. And not only that, I'm gonna get into the other sneaker that you guys saw that I picked up. I've been wearing them a lot the past week. I did get these from Hibbett Sports. Also, huge thank you to Hibbett. It is the Presto Reacts. Now I'll tell you guys, I told you I'd give you like a full update. Once I put some miles on these things, it lets you know if they're truly worth it. And so far, so good. I've been wearing them a lot. Like I told you, this has been the #1 shoe in my rotation since I picked it up. I've worn it every single day, whether it's running, walking, just going to the store. I hit the flea market, I've got my bonsai tree. Just little errands here and there. Just anywhere I go, I'm wearing these, and I'll give you guys that full update soon. Man, am I really, really loving these. I'm excited to have these two. Nike's lifestyle shoes are just really killing it right now. And like I said, it's super refreshing to just have some different silhouettes. So those of you that own the 270s, let me know what you think down below, man. Are they worth it? Am I gonna love this shoe? And also, if you have the Reacts, how are they treating you? Other than that, I wanted to let you guys know about a little giveaway that Hibbett's having. The rules are pretty simple. All you gotta do is follow Hibbett Sports. They put out a post that you just need to repost or share, and then they're gonna pick 3 different winners. They're gonna get a pair of shoes. And obviously, so full on drip, get all the apparel in the collection. So if you guys want to enter that, you got nothing to lose, man. Just go on Hibbett's Instagram. I'll link that down below. But yo, what a good week, man. I hope y'all having a good week too. I have 2 other giveaway winners that I have to select. I'll be announcing who won the minimal pants in the next video, and also the Sole Premise sneaker bag. I was supposed to do that on Monday, but I got you guys. So just stay tuned for that, man. If you haven't already joined the mailing list, giveaways galore on there coming. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run.